What's up guys, Rich here with two Etien T01s that I'm going to unbox and learn and see these for the first time with you and share my first impressions. So here is the first one. Interesting presentation. And here is the leather. I can tell right away this smells really nice. This is a nice leather wallet for our travel. Another Etien leather and suede patch here. So I did learn some of this information ahead from the press release, so I am going to see this, as you can see, for the first time with you. This is sealed, so let's open it up. Okay, so this is very lovely would be a pretty accurate word to describe this. This is sharp. In the hand, I can tell this is a really nice leather strap, and from what I've learned about it, I can see why. So this is in 40 millimeters. It's 46 lug to lug, and it's 10 millimeters thin or tall. So really interesting pattern here. This is in blue. This dial is CNC engine tuned in a guilloche pattern with multiple layers of translucent colored enamel, and that results in a tastefully done and well executed dial. You know, there in some respects this reminds me of a Ming, not the same dial pattern, but just something like what Ming does. They do a clean, simple dial that's outside of the ordinary, yet really tastefully done, and we seem to really love that a lot. And I can tell in different angles here, the way that we turn and twist it, this dial really glistens really nicely. This is really sharp here. So this technique is what they call the flank enamel, and it's done by, or first famously done by, Peter Carl Fabergé. And if we remember him or know who he is, he's really famous for making those Easter eggs, but out of really fancy and precious metals and materials. And that's the same pattern that Etien did here with this dial. The strap, it's sapphire crystal. The movement is powered by the ETA 28-24. It is water resistant to 3 ATMs or 30 meters, so we shouldn't expose this to heavy water activity. So the ETA 28-24 is a nice touch. Is a nice touch for this. This leather. Let me give this a. Let me smell this. It's a nice smell, very similar to the leather watch wallet here. But this is goat skin, and it is lined with calf skin. Really nice touches here throughout. Really nice. That pattern there, that is really sharp and a great size. So I'm going to check out the other color and see which one this one is. I think I know. This is the salmon. Same specs, same details, but in salmon. They also have this available in green. So we have the blue, salmon, and green. Let me get back the blue. Two really wonderful options here. I like the salmon, but I also like this blue. I can't, you know, this would be a tough call between the two color options. I think if I was to wear this out today, I probably would go with the salmon. But these are really works of art. I really like what Etien is doing with this their T01. It is a French name, but they are based out of Singapore. So really an interesting brand here with an interesting watch. The retail price is $1,388. And I think for that, and with the ETA 28-24 movement, we are getting a really nice option here that is, I think it is actually a really nice value-driven watch here, because there are lots of this portion that is handmade. And we can see how beautifully done these dials are. So really interesting and tastefully done. I think they put just the right amount of restraint to their dial rather than making it too I think over the top. I think it will definitely draw attention, and we can just see how beautifully done this is. Everything is quality here on the leathers, the dial work here, the movement. So I think definitely Etien is worth a closer look. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you the next time.